Now, this is an interesting one. So the give more than you take idea often manifested itself is that they would put their hands up and take responsibility for things. So if we as a company said, hey, this is one of the goals that we have got for next quarter, and we need some help with that, then great board members are often the first people to put their hands up and say, I'd love to take responsibility for that. I'd love to help you with that. What I've noticed was that they then enlisted other people. They were great at getting people on their cause. Now, maybe it was staff members, maybe it was other board members to help with that project. Maybe it was other people. But they were very, very good at bringing people around them to get the work done. Now, um, that kind of sounds like, okay, they're volunteering to do the work and then they're getting other people to do the work for them. But as anyone that has ever tried to do this will know, it's very difficult to get other people to do that. But you have to be able to articulate ideas and you have to be able to sell the vision.